What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do a video how to make a s'more. So you need a marshmallow, and I go creative and I use these things. And obviously you need some s'more crackers. All right, let's get started. So first, on the bigger side, if you crack it and it doesn't work, you put your marshmallow on that side. You'll see why in a second. And then, wait, this is the bigger side. All right. Then you just, by the way, we're doing microwave s'mores. I usually need a s'more because I mean a stool because I'm short. So anyway, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I microwave it for 17 seconds. Alright guys, watch this. It's gonna get so big. Alright, start. I know you guys are trying not to say it. That was super cool. All right, and then you pick up the marshmallow side, you put it on the chocolate side, and then there you have it. The best microwave s'more ever.